つかも落として消えてゆく虚しい手が空を切る壊れた心抱きしめて君の愛が消えてゆく涙で染まるこの世界戻れない日々の先へ
So it's raining a lot here, but luckily the Fukuoka Art Museum is just here and I'm going to check out the art museum. Let's go! I wanted to show how cool this is though, to put all your wet umbrellas here. And I got my key, so I'm just gonna put this down here and kind of turn it open. And I just, collect my umbrella that way. There you go. And if you're ever here, look for Ning. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bathroom tour. Welcome to my Japanese toilet. Just kidding. It's a toilet that is in I'm staying at a Japanese hostel. It's a really pretty cool hostel, but well, you see a typical kind of seats here, and I'm going to show you how it works. So, of course, I'm not going to show you how to pee, but this is how you use it. So basically, you have all this automated button here, and this is when you just do a front, which means you pee, and then here is the rear when you take a number 2, and then you just stop the water by pressing this button. Also, you can increase the pressure of the water pressure, and then this is really nice. It's a deodorizer, so basically there's like a really nice smell when I press this, so this is really cool. And here you just, when you flush, you just pull this up, and the water will come up from here and it just drains back down. I think it's really cool. So there you have it. So amazing. There's not many tourists also, which makes it really great. And yeah, the best part is it's just, you know, a 30-minute train ride, or super quick actually, and you get the beach away from the city bus, and you have the beautiful view of the towel here, which is amazing. Except you can swim here. I like swimming there. Look. Alright guys, we need to return this. As it belongs to where it came from the tree in Fukuoka. So hot. I'm having a latte with the ice cream. coolest part for me is that using an app, you can catch an animal and learn about its features and characteristics, and after you release it back to the forest. I spent over an hour catching and releasing, learning so much about animals and our nature. ever come to Japan or visit the south side, definitely come to Fukuoka. It's really, really beautiful. Take time to soak up the city. It's definitely less crowded, less touristy, and it's super clean as well. So you really get to enjoy this view. I'm actually here by myself. There's not many people here. And it's so amazing. And the tower. Alright guys, I'm just gonna enjoy my day. I hope you enjoy the vlog, and if you haven't, click like or subscribe, like down here, and if you'd like to see more, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and see you soon. Ciao ciao, bye from Fukuoka.